Hello, welcome, and welcome back to Cozy at Coco's. So today we are working on my front closet, the one right by my entryway door in the front of the house. As you can see, there's a lot of space in here. I need more shelves up there, of course. I am not working in this closet today because it's not too bad. I do have some decor and things in here, extra blanket like when they're on the couch or what have you. But it's pretty clean in here. And as you can see, the inspector's here. Anyway, I just wanted to show you that. This is the closet I'll be working on today, okay? This is my bedroom closet. Now, I had some lighting issues in here, so y'all got to bear with me in this video, okay? As you can see, it's a hot mess. It's a hot mess. But I'm going to get it together, okay? That's what we're doing, part of this new year cleaning. This month of January, we are getting some spots together that we haven't been doing, okay? So if this is something that interests you, I welcome you to like, subscribe, comment down below, share this video. Now let's get into this video. And what we don't finish today, we can finish tomorrow.
Head up, feet on the ground, oh baby, I need a miracle. It's in my head, darling, I hope that you'll be here when I need you the most. And in a world so cruel, all I need is you to come and take my pain away. Fill me with you right now, I think I'm losing my mind. Don't let me down, don't let me down. Can't kill this feeling I have, I got nowhere else to go. Waiting for you to track me down. Where did you go, where did you go? Can't swim, I'm losing my grip, oh baby, I need a miracle. Don't wanna be here all over again, been here a million times before. Yeah, yeah. And in a world so cruel, all I need is you to come and take my pain away. Fill me with you right now, I think I'm losing my mind. Don't let me down, don't let me down. Head up, feet on the ground, oh baby, I need a miracle. Yeah, it's in my head, darling, I hope that you'll be here when I need you the most. Yeah, come on. Can't kill this feeling I have, I got nowhere else to go. Oh yeah, waiting for you to track me down. Where did you go, where did you go? Can't kill this feeling I have, I got nowhere else to go. Oh yeah, waiting for you to track me down. Where did you go, where did you go? Oh where did you go, baby?
You know, the funny thing about these projects that I've been doing lately is when I look at them, I think, oh my God, this is going to be a big deal. And then it ends up not being. So I encourage you, if you have something to do, a closet, sweep under the bed, I don't know. I don't know what you need to do in your area, but I keep looking at it thinking it's a big deal and it's not. I just challenge you, just get in there and do it. It's not going to be that bad. Okay? All right, let's keep going. Okay, guys, I'm working up a sweat here. I hope you are too. Even if you only spend a few minutes and you know the time, 15 to 30 minutes, even though I'm going a little longer because I really am sweeping and everything. I'm not going to move this dresser out today. My back can't take it today. So I'm doing what I can do. And that's what I want you to do as well. Just to make it look clean and, more put together than what it was looking, right? I just lost some light here. Hopefully you guys can still see me. My cheap little ring light. I need a new ring light, y'all. It went out on me, okay? But let's get back into this. So let me apologize right now for being all in the camera. I'm sorry, you guys. It's hard to get angles when you're in a small space like this. So I'm doing the best I can, okay? We are almost to the middle of this video, pretty close to the middle of it. If you are still with me, put a mop or a mop bucket, something like that in the comments, okay? And thank you for being here.
Can you see me shaking? Hear the sound of my heart breaking. Bless the soul that's aching, hoping I survive. The feeling lingers on every day of every month, wishing I just could forget about you. The weight upon my bones makes it harder to move on. Oh baby, oh baby. We were cruel enough to do it. Now I feel so stupid. Don't you feel that too? The feeling lingers on every day of every month. Wishing I just could forget about you. The weight upon my bones makes it harder to move on. Oh baby, don't think that I'll ever forgive myself for losing you, or for losing you. Left our love up on the dusty shelf. Can't forgive myself for losing you. For losing you. For losing you.
As we are closing out this video today, you can see I'm having a problem adjusting my items, but I'm going to get it together. Anyway, thank you for stopping by. And until next time, keep it cozy.